What's up YouTube, it's me Jspekz back here, another full detail review. This time is on this joint right here. Here are the shoebox. Alright, shiny shoebox. The tagging, pause it, do what you need to do. Got this from the Goat app. I didn't pay retail for this, as you can see right there. Alright, this is the size 5 cactus chest paper in pink. On the other side, here are another side, and here are the shoe. By the way, I'm gonna hit you with my world famous thumbnail view. Without further ado, let's go into the full detail review. The whole upper is Canary yellow with a blue right here. Okay. Travis Scott logo, stitch on in white right there. Cactus Jack in red right there. Cactus Jack in blue, Nike Air. This is a bunch of people slap on this because this is meant for women. Okay, by the way, when they say size 5, this is actually 5 women's. Okay, look at the tumble leather. The quality when it comes to collab Jordan brand is damn just dope. Right, Canary yellow, blue, red, black, and yeah. And the bottom, this is what killed it to me. It's the gum bottom with the Nike. Right, it does comes with an extra shoelace, by the way. It comes with on red. On the shoe is yellow, and also blue. Okay. And on the inside, of course, you say Travis Scott on one shoe. The other side is the Jumpman, and the back of the shoe also. The Wings logo right there, Air Jordans, you know. And this one is Travis Scott logo, right? Without further ado, let's go hit you with the front view of the sneaker. The top view of the sneaker. The side view. The other side, the back view, the inside view, and the bottom view. Make sure you click the thumbs like, share my video, and all that good stuff. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe right down below. And yes, I am not feeling well right now. Alright, it's me Jspekz. Hopefully I get better soon. Deuces, take care, happy holiday, peace out.